In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly remove unwanted spots and distractions from your photos using Lightroom Cloud. Whether you're doing this on the desktop, web, or mobile app, this skill will certainly enhance the quality of your images. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open the photo you intend to edit in the Lightroom Cloud app. Select whichever version of the app you're comfortable with, whether it's desktop, web, or mobile. Once your photo is open, you'll need to locate the Edit panel. Here, search for the Remove or Heal tool, which you'll recognize by an icon that resembles a band-aid or a brush. This is the entry point into spot removal and healing mode, which is precisely where you need to be to start correcting those pesky spots. Now, deciding between Heal and Clone modes is crucial. Opt for the Heal mode when you want to blend your fixes seamlessly with surrounding textures, colors, and tones. It's perfect for most scenarios where you aim for a natural look. On the other hand, the Clone mode is ideal when dealing with hard edges or when the automatic healing doesn't quite hit the mark. In Clone mode, you'll be directly duplicating pixels, offering less blending but more control in certain situations. Once you've selected your mode, it's time to adjust the brush settings. You'll want to set the brush size just slightly larger than the imperfection you're targeting. Think of this as painting a canvas where size matters in capturing the right details. Additionally, tweaking the feather option will give you softer edges, while adjusting the opacity controls how intensely the effect is applied. The right balance will ensure your edits blend smoothly into the original image. Zoom in on the area of the photo you're working on to ensure precision. With your brush settings configured, click and drag over the spot you need to remove. Lightroom will automatically sample a nearby area of the photo and use it to apply the fix. If Lightroom's choice isn't ideal, you can manually select a more suitable source by moving it to a different part of the image that works better. If you're dealing with tiny distractions such as sensor dust, the Visualize Spots feature could be invaluable. This feature, when available, transforms your image into a high-contrast or inverted view to help tiny spots stand out. Adjust the threshold slider until all unwanted marks are visible, and then proceed to clean them using the tool. At any point, you might find that certain fixes require more adjustments or even removal. You are free to fine-tune a fix by selecting the fix pin and tweaking its source or size. If the fix isn't working at all, don't hesitate to delete it or utilize the Reset Healing option in the user interface. That's it for today's tutorial on removing spots in Lightroom Cloud, a handy skill to polish your photos to perfection.